Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, we're going to unbox my first Xiaomi Zoom tripod selfie stick where I bought here in Tainan Focus Mall. I saw mostly reviews of this tripod was good, that's why I bought one for my vlogging. Like one of us, same as first timer of vlogging, this will be worth and useful when you would like to film, taking photos, and doing random videos. I buy this tripod $839 NT, and I'm so happy to have one because this selfie tripod much help for me doing like this film. I know there's a lot of tripod you can buy anywhere, but for me, when buying this product, I make sure it has a good reviews, and I was right, buy it after all. And now, here's how to connect Bluetooth connection to your phone. When you are a Xiaomi phone user, you can able to use the remote control features like zoom in, zoom out, standby option, and rotating front and backward mode. As you can see, it is detachable remote and it has a magnetic attaches to the handle. Length is 30 cm when folded and can extend it up to 160 cm. And it also automatic push. Let's try different angle when filming or doing camera shots.